Nestled in the heart of Antioquia, Colombia, El Peñol stands as a colossal testament to nature's grandeur. Rising over 650 feet above the surrounding landscape, this massive granite monolith has been a landmark for centuries, drawing adventurers and sightseers alike. For those brave enough, the 740-step staircase winds up a natural crack in the rock, offering breathtaking views at every turn. The climb may be challenging, but the reward at the summit is well worth the effort. From above, the panoramic views reveal a mesmerizing patchwork of emerald green waters and lush islands, part of the man-made reservoir created in the 1970s. These waters not only power much of Colombia, but also transform the scenery into something straight out of a postcard. Just a short drive away, the colorful town of Guatape awaits. Whether you're here for the adrenaline, the history, or the sheer beauty, El Peñol and Guatapé are must-see stops on any Colombian adventure. So lace up your shoes and get ready to climb one of South America's most iconic rocks. Subscribe to the Americano for more breathtaking destinations.